Sheldon, stop running, please.
I am only showing Missy. We are making paper birds.
Mine has big wings. May I cut one too?
Here, take the handle.
You gave me the handle. I like cutting straight lines. Missy! Oh! Look at mine!
Sheldon, stop running, please.
Why? I was careful.
They would go into me. Yes, that is the reason. Hold them down, points down, and always walk. Never run. Give the handle, not the points.
That is a very clear rule. Points down, and I am walking. Missy, take the handle. Thank you, like Meemaw. Look, 3 paper birds.
And nobody got hurt.
Walk, points down, give the handle. My hands are sticky. I will wash. Sheldon, wet hands. Stop!
I was turning it off.
My hands were very sticky. Wash them well.
Please turn the lamp off.
Yes, I can do that. My hands are still wet. That does not matter.
Sheldon! Wet hands! Stop!
Why? It is just water.
Water and plugs are not friends. Water carries the power. It can go into you.
Into me. Through the water. Yes, that is why.
Dry your hands first, always. Then hold the plug, not the wire.
And never put things in sockets. Never, never, not one time. Dry. Very dry. Now I can. I held the plug, not the wire.
Perfect. Exactly right. You asked why. I like that.
A reason makes the rule easy.
Then ask me every time.
Dry hands. Hold the plug. Never poke. Is that our bus? Stop! Do not touch that. It is full of germs. Sheldon, it is just a doorknob. I read a big book about germs. Germs are tiny. They can make you sick. Now I have new rules. Wash your hands. Do not touch your face.
Sheldon, you cannot make rules for everyone.
No one touches my things. Germs are dangerous. I am protecting you. Sheldon, Meemaw wants a hug.
No hugs. Hugs share germs.
Oh, okay, sweetie. Sheldon, you made Meemaw sad.
I did? But I was being smart.
Being smart is good, Sheldon, but being kind is important too.
I thought about germs. I did not think about feelings.
I am sorry, Meemaw. I will wash my hands, and then I will hug you.
That is my clever, kind boy.
Rule 1, wash your hands well.
Rule 2, do not touch your face.
Rule 3.
Be clean and be kind.
Whoa! Back from the road!
I only wanted to see.
The bus comes at 10.
I want to sit in front.
I will sit right here.
There is a line here. Why is the line there? I still cannot see it.
Whoa! Back from the road!
That car was very close.
Cars cannot stop fast. The line keeps you safe.
Like the cup in the car.
Yes, exactly like that.
Stand behind the line. Always. And hold a hand at the road.
Here, hold my hand.
Thank you, Missy.
Wait. Let it stop first.
Wait, it is still moving.
Nice one. Good call.
Hold the rail, everyone.
I am holding it. Everybody is safe and seated.
You looked after us all.
Stand back. Hold a hand. Wait, why do you follow rules? Tell us. We are listening.
Everybody in. We are going.
I love the car. Why do we wear these?
To keep you safe. Click it.
Safe from what, exactly?
I will show you. Belt on.
Oh, watch this cup. Watch closely. The car stopped. The cup did not.
You are the cup. Click. And I checked it.
Good. Now we can go.
My book can wait. Do not touch my city. I only want to help. Look, big bricks everywhere.
4 zones today. Let us go!
That lion has many bricks. It is so big.
You can build here. Have fun.
I have a plan. First, I sort the colors. Then I build my city. Can I build with you? No, I build alone. You will do it wrong.
Okay.
Okay. Higher. It must be perfect. I cannot reach the top. My arms are too short. It is falling. Help! I have got it. You helped me. Now add a bridge here. That is not my plan. Oh. It looks better. Two brains are better. You build. I will pass. Red brick, please. Thank you. Our city is finished.
Our city.
I like that. Ask for help. Share. Say thank you. Now the game zone. Ah! Ah! You broke it! You broke it! 100 blocks. It is perfect. I worked all morning. Nobody touch my tower. That is the rule.
Hey, Sheldon. Cool tower. Oh no.
My tower. My tower is broken.
You are careless! Go away!
It was an accident.
I said sorry. Ugh. Sorry does not fix it.
My chest feels tight. I do not like this.
Come here, honey. That was a big feeling. You are angry. That is okay. But shouting is not okay. Stop. Breathe in. Count to 5. Now breathe out slow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My chest feels better. I am sorry I shouted. I was angry. You are not careless.
No problem. Let us build it again.
Stop, breathe, then speak. But night is harder.
Missy! Do not run at it. Look! A big brown dog.
We do not know that dog.
I want to say hello. Hello. Hello, doggy. Oh, it barked. I know the rule. But I cannot move.
Stand still, you two. Slow and quiet. Well done. Sorry. May we say hello? Never run at a dog. Running makes a dog jump. Always ask the owner first.
I forgot to ask.
Ask. Then hold your hand still. Let the dog come to you.
Please, may I stroke your dog? He is licking my hand.
He likes you now.
Gentle hands. Very good.
Goodbye, doggy. Asking first is much better. Ask first. Stand still. Gentle hands. Which rule will you use today? Tell us. We are listening.